Since this is a fixed solution analysis, we first of all change the formulas for all of the decision nodes to exactly equal the original decision that we were looking at. So in this case, the maximum expected value decision. Now see on the Data tab, we have copied all of the information about the upper and lower values for the parameters that we're interested in changing. We now take the lower value for profit of the hit, 1.2 million, and paste it into the parameter section of our decision tree in the right place. We then take the maximum expected value from the tree and put that back into the table, pasting it as a value so that it won't change. We do the same thing for the upper value of this parameter, $2 million. It gets copied from the table, changed in the decision tree, and then we take the maximum expected value from the decision tree and paste it as a value back into our table. Before we make any more changes, we have to replace the original parameter value back in the tree. We then do the same thing for the remaining parameters, taking each one, first of all changing it to its lower value, collecting the maximum expected profit, then changing it to its upper value, collecting the maximum expected profit, and then changing back to the original parameter before moving on to the next one. As you can see, we build up a table of the expected value for the lower change and the expected value for the upper change. To create the chart, we need the difference of the expected values from the original. So first of all, we make a copy of the original, then we add formulas to calculate the difference for the lower and upper value from this original value, and then we add formulas to calculate the range, that's the difference between the expected value for the upper and the lower value. Next, we make a table of these upper and lower differences and ranges that we can then sort. Now sort the table from the smallest to the biggest range. That is the lower table that we've copied and pasted as values so that they're not changing. So make sure that you sort by the range and that they go from the smallest to the biggest. Next, we format the values we're going to graph as currency so that then the graph axes will be in the right format. So then select the parameter, lower and upper difference values, and make a bar chart, the second bar chart, and that is our tornado diagram.